Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to Biology True or False, Part 42. Let's start our quiz. Organisms have an unchanging, constant internal environment. False. Organisms have the ability to take in energy and use it. False. Individuals evolve within the span of their own lifetime. False. Evolution is deliberate and purposeful. False. Enzymes increase the rate of chemical reactions. True. Enzymes are monomers used to build polymers. False. Functional groups may help make organic compounds hydrophilic. True. All cells have cell wall. False. All functional groups contain a carbon atom. False. All cells are attached to other cells. False. All cells have internal structures that move. True. An enzyme's function depends on its three-dimensional shape. True. Enzymes are used up when they catalyze a chemical reaction that is consumed by the reaction, so must be synthesized each new chemical reaction. False. Oxidation is the loss of electrons. Reduction is the gain of electrons. True. The bond between carbon and hydrogen in methane is the example of a covalent bond. True. The energy in glucose is released in one big step during cellular respiration. False. ATP is not produced during photosynthesis. It is produced only during cellular respiration. False. Introns are noncoding DNA sequences. True. An X chromosome is an autosome. False. All alleles are described as alternate version of a gene. True. Sister chromatids are joined at the telomere. False. Differentiation of the zygote into a multicellular organism results from selective gene expression. True. Hello friends, thank you very much for attending to Biology True or False. This has been part 42. Let us meet again in Biology True or False part 43. I'm Joshua Mugabe. Bye bye for now.